Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about that is how we can prepare phenol from cumene, and now in this topic we are going to talk about that is how we can prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. So now let us understand this one. So friends, in this topic we are going to talk about that is how we can prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. It is a multiple step process. So for example, suppose if I am considering benzene sulfonic acid, that is nothing but benzene that consists of that is SO3H group that is attached on it. So therefore this is benzene sulfonic acid, and what we have to do is we have to treat it with NaOH. Obviously this is nothing but an acid group, while this is nothing but a base. So obviously whenever they both will react with each other, obviously this kind of process is known as neutralization process. So that's the reason a salt will be obtained, and that is nothing but, I will write it over here as SO3Na, along with that of the byproduct is nothing but H2. So the product that we have obtained over here is known as sodium benzene sulfide, sodium benzene sulfonate. So this is what we have got, but this is the first step that I have mentioned over here. So there are more two steps that I am going to talk about. So now this sodium benzene sulfonate, it will be treated with further with NaOH, and let's see what is the product that we could get. So therefore the product that we have obtained in the first step, it was nothing but, that is, I would write it over here as SO3Na, that is nothing but sodium benzene sulfonate. So now we are treating it with 2 moles of NaOH, and that also at higher temperature, or I could say it as in a fused condition. So that for the product that we could obtain here is, it will be nothing but sodium phenoxide, that is benzene ONA, along with that of the byproduct that is Na2SO3 plus H2. So therefore this Na2SO3 is also known as sodium sulfide. And now what happens is this sodium phenoxide, it will be further treated with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. So therefore here we are using dilute H2SO4. So now therefore we could say that this is nothing but a hydrolysis process, and that is how we could get a benzene ring which consists of oxygen and OH, that is the OH group that is attached to the benzene, and which is nothing but phenol. But here we have to balance the reaction also. So therefore we are taking that is 2 moles of that is sodium phenoxide, which would be reacted with H2SO4. So therefore we could get 2 moles of phenol along with that of that is Na2SO4 as a byproduct. So this is the main thing that we have obtained, and that is nothing but phenol. So this is how basically we can convert a benzene sulfonic acid to a phenol by this process. So that was nothing but the reaction. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this reaction very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.